Hey guys, exciting times for the AI ecosystem as Meta recently introduced the first Llama 4 models, advanced models, Llama 4 Scout and Llama 4 Maverick. Their most advanced models yet and the best in class for their multimodality. Additionally, Meta also introduced Llama 4 Behemoth, describing it as one of the smartest LLMs out there. By the way, these models are all open source models, and as Mark Zuckerberg said, that their main goal at Meta is to build the world-class AI models and AI, open source them, and make them available for everyone to use and access. That's a really good cause, and yeah, let's talk about these Llama 4 Herd, the Llama 4 models. Llama 4 Scout is the smallest, fastest, and the smartest one. Llama 4 Maverick is the strongest and the reliable one, and Llama 4 Behemoth is the teacher model, the smartest one, right? So let's talk more about these Llama 4 models, and at the end we will also see at the end of this video we will also see a simple rack system, how to build a simple rack system using Llama 4 Maverick, and see the responses. Okay, so let's do that. Hey guys, as you can see the LM Arena leaderboard. We saw recently DeepSeek R1 making a lot of noise because of its performance, the low cost, and as you can see here in the graph, Llama 4 Maverick, which comes on the top compared to GPT-4o and other models, even DeepSeek R1, right? So Llama 4 Maverick surpasses similar models in its class, offering developers top performance better than DeepSeek R1 and GPT-4o models and at unbeatable value. Llama 4 Scout, on the other hand, supports 10 million tokens of context, the longest context length available in the industry right now. And Llama 4 Maverick, again, is 17 billion active parameter model with 128 experts. Is the best multimodal model in its class, beating again GPT-4o and Gemini 2.0 Flash. I mean, I'm very excited to test Llama 4 models and see how they actually perform. Uh, let's see that. Hey guys, so as you can see, Llama 4 models comparison here in this comparison table, the models like Llama 4 Scout, Llama 4 Maverick, and Llama 4 Behemoth, the total parameters, the active parameters, and the experts, the context length. Basically, as you can see, the Scout has 10 million tokens and runs on single H100, single or multi GPU internal infra, and also you can see the public access. Like Behemoth is still not publicly available. You can't access it publicly yet. And what these models are actually ideal for, right? Scout is ideal for light AI tasks, long memory applications, and whereas Maverick is for research, coding, enterprise use, and Behemoth is for internal distillation per plus benchmark. So this is a simple comparison for you guys, and yeah, you can go through this and understand how different models compare with each other. Hey guys, so this is my interesting part of the video, the tutorial. So let's build a simple rack system using Llama 4 Maverick model for free. We will get the Llama 4 Maverick model from Open Router. If you don't know what is Open Router basically provides a unified API to access the major LLM models available in the market. So the setup is kind of very simple. We have a PDF file. Publicly available PDF file. So we will ingest it. We will create text chunks, and then we will create embeddings of our document using OpenAI embedding model. And once the embeddings are created, we will store these vector embeddings in vector store, like vector database, like single store. So after that, we will ask a query, and then even the query gets converted into a vector embedding, and it goes through the vector database that is single store to find the relevant chunk using the semantic search or vector search methodology. And then at the end, the response will be generated properly with all the context from the LLM model that is Llama 4 Maverick. So let's say this whole setup practically, how does it work? And let's see the responses. Hey guys, so here is my complete notebook code for rack setup using Llama 4 Maverick and LangChain. So we are going to use LangChain as our LLM framework to build this whole setup, rack setup using Llama 4 Maverick. And we are also going to use single store as our vector database as we saw previously in the image. So let's go to singlestore.com and sign up. Single store has a free shared tier where you can sign up for free and start using the things for free. So once you sign up, you need to create a workspace for yourself. If you don't have a workspace, just create one and for your workspace, attach a database. Creating a database is easy. Like just click create database. So I have my database ready. That is LlamaDB. So I have my workspace and database ready. So let's go to now Data Studio where you can easily create the notebook, like just like your Google Colab. So we have Single Store has this integrated feature where you can create your notebooks internally. I mean, such an amazing thing. So give it a name and create one. And then once you create, this is where you will land and you can start creating, adding your code and start creating your AI ML setups. So this is the complete code, rack setup using Llama 4 Maverick and LangChain. Like I said, we're going to use LangChain here. So first things first, install and import the required dependencies. We're going to install LangChain, LangChain community, OpenAI, and single store, and then we're going to import some libraries and dependencies. We're going to set OpenAI API key. We need it for, to create embeddings. And then we will load the PDF file. So this is the PDF file that I'm loading. It's about NV India 2024 environment accounts. So something about some um, Government of India, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, National Statistical Office. So yeah, we will load that. We will ingest that PDF file and then we'll split the document into chunks. We are using LangChain here, and we will initialize the OpenAI embeddings. We are using OpenAI to model to create embeddings of our PDF file. And then next is to store these embeddings in our database. So we will the database name is Llama DB, and then the table name. So in that table, all these embeddings will be stored. The table name is rack store, and then host. You need to provide this host and port, and then username, and then the password for your the database thing. So how you can do that? You can go to here, deployments, and go to connect, and then go to SQL IDE, and this is where you will find your host, port, admin, the username, and then the password is here. I mean, you can reset the password, and you can also get it from here, access, right? So that's how you get all these things like, and you can name the table name. You can name it whatever you want. Once you do that, um, you initialize the Llama 4 model via Open Router. So you go to openrouter.ai. This is where you will land. This is their website, and go to this prices. And this is where you will find the Meta Llama 4 Maverick for free. I mean, click this, and then you can go to API to get the API key, create your API key. So that's how I got my API key, and I'll add it here. And then this is the model name, Llama 4 Maverick, right? And then I'm setting my temperature and max tokens. That's done. We initialized the model via Open Router, and then create a retrieval QA chain using LangChain, and that's done. And let's ask a question about the PDF that we loaded. So, what environmental trends in India are highlighted in the Envistats India 2024 report? As you can see, this is the response we're getting, right? And you can also ask different queries, right? Summarize the key findings on air pollution from the NUSTATS India 2024 report. As you can see, I don't know the provided context does not contain information about. So if it doesn't find anything, any relevant content, it'll just give the response like this. But if you ask a proper question like, can you name the team of officers associated with the publication? As you can see, the response, the team of officers associated with the publication includes Sri N.K. Santoshi, Director General. I think let's go and see if that is present. Okay, Santoshi. Yeah, here you go. Sri N.K. Santoshi. You should also see Sri Subhash Chandra Malik. Let's see. Sri Subhash Chandra Malik. Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Sudipta Ghosh, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Dr. Sudipta Ghosh. Yep, that's right. And what are they talking about in the chapter 4 in the publication? So let's see what it's all about, chapter 4. So chapter 4 is all about soil nutrient index. So if you see, it says according to the index and the text provided, chapter 4 of the publication is all about soil nutrient index. Specifically, it provides information, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I can ask different questions to just test how the model is behaving and the responses, right? So I also asked, like, since it is a multi-model model, I asked, like, what is the figure 2.5 is all about? Right? Let's see 2.5, figure 2.5. Figure 2.5, right? 2.3, 2.5, yeah. Let's see. So it says response. According to the text, figure 2.5 shows the supply of energy in petajoules over the years. Supply of energy. Yep, exactly. Supply of energy in petajoules. So yeah, I mean, you can ask different questions. Even the what is the figure 2.6 is all about? Just says, I mean, like these are the responses. Amazing. I mean, according to the contact word, is all about soil disruption in India. 2 point figure 4.2. So yeah, I mean, I just tested Llama model. I mean, we just created a simple RAG system using Llama for Maverick and LangChain. I mean, I'm going to share this code repo in the description or in the comments so that you can just go through and try it out yourself. I hope the video was helpful, and I'm really positive about the Llama 4 models. And thank you. Yeah, one more thing. I wanted to show you how the data the loaded data looks in our database, right? So let's go to deployments. So let's go to databases, and then LlamaDB was the database that we used, and we used the table name as rag store. Go there and go to the sample data. So all our PDF data has been chunked and stored as a vector in our database, as you can see here. Yeah, I mean, this is how I wanted to show. I mean, yeah, single store supports hybrid search. So it's kind of very easy for you to use hybrid search and basically build your AI applications, robust AI applications and RAG applications. Thanks.